Most traders lose money not because they can't analyze charts, but because they do not understand who is in control of the market. Welcome to another amazing video brought to you by Coinfinity. And in this video, I am going to break down order flow versus technical analysis. And more importantly, I'm going to show you how to identify real buying and selling pressure like we professionals do. So make sure you keep away every form of distraction, pay attention to this video, and make sure you watch to the end of this video. Let's start with technical analysis. Technical analysis is the study of price, candle, pattern, indicators, support and resistance, and it helps you understand market structure and key levels and key decision zones. And let's be clear about one thing. Technical analysis is not bad. In fact, every professional trader uses technical analysis, but there's a limitation to technical analysis. Technical analysis tells you where price might react, but it does not tell you who is actually buying or selling. In other words, you cannot actually determine buying or selling pressure. And you would find out that with order flow, you are not just looking at candles closing, you are looking at real pressure. You are actually reading the pressure of the market. You are seeing the real buying and the real selling when you totally understand order flow. And that is what order flow really shows you. Now, when we talk about buying and selling pressure, we know that price goes up not because of our indicators on the chart, not because of the TDI, the RSI, or any other indicator, but price goes up because buyers are more aggressive than the sellers. That is a typical example in the case of the stock market. And price go down because the selling pressure is usually stronger than the buying pressure. And that is why price is going to go down on any financial asset. Now, you can always have the perfect support level, but if the sellers are dominating that order flow, that support will break. And you can also pinpoint your perfect resistance level, but if the buyers are actually dominating that resistance area or that resistance zone, that resistance will surely break. And this is where most traders usually get trapped. Now, let us look at order flow versus technical analysis. With technical analysis, you have structure. All right, technical analysis gives you structure, the structure you need to carry out your analysis, while order flow is what gives you that confirmation you are looking for. So one without the other leaves you guessing. So if you understand technical analysis very well, you might have your structure, you might know how to carry out your structure, but then you will not have that confirmation that you use for your entry. So if you need deeper understanding beyond the surface level, that is where the Coinfinity course come in. All right, you can actually subscribe to our course by using the link in the description below, or you can go for our mentorship by using the link in the description below. Head on to our website and you can subscribe for mentorship, and we'll teach you everything you need to understand about order flow, technical analysis, and how you can use both of these understanding to pinpoint your structure and your confirmation when taking a trade in the foreign exchange market. Now, as a free gift, I'm going to show you how professionals combine both order flow and technical analysis when trading the market. As a professional, you should first mark your key levels, right? It might be on the daily time frame, it might be on the 4-hour time frame, it might even be on the weekly time frame, wherever your analysis is originating from, wherever you determine is your higher time frame. Then you need to wait for confirmation. Now, what are the signs of confirmation you need to wait for, which is your order flow? You need to wait for aggression in the candlestick. You need to wait for absorption or exhaustion in your candlestick. And to learn what aggression, absorption, and exhaustion mean, you can actually use the link in the description below, send us a chat, and get the Coinfinity course, and you'll be able to understand these terms. And this is how you identify how fake breakouts are avoided. This is how you know how late entries are reduced, and this is how your confidence in trading the financial market is built. So if this video have added value to you, I want you to subscribe, and I want you to follow us on all our social media handles so that you do not miss what's coming next. And if you want to trade around people who take trading seriously, then we have the Coinfinity community on our Telegram channel where you can easily access by using the link in the description below. I hope you found this video insightful, and until I come your way again, remember to always trade smart, follow structure, and always respect price action.